We found the number of DCFS enrollees who have no registered Social Security number who are also receiving Medicaid benefits. And that number in 2021 was 450, but now in 2025, we're recording 1,085 children. If that's not astounding enough that there's 1,085 kids in DCFS care without a registered Social Security number, I think the financial aspect of it might grab some attention for you guys. $8 million was spent in 2021 on children without a registered Social Security number in Illinois DCFS care. But in 2025, that total went to $66 million spent on 1,085 children from the documents I received. 39 million of that 66 million was used for inpatient hospital stays for these children. And I would kind of question whether all of these children are sick or not, or what's going on there, and how can we ensure that our taxpayers are being fully accounted for through Medicaid. I think a child who is undocumented or without a registered Social Security number is put at a very substantial risk for a lot of things happening for that child. Human trafficking is a big issue that we need to tackle, and a lot of people need to start talking about it to bring attention to the system. My original question to HFS was, how much was it costing for the 20,358 children without a registered Social Security number? And when I found out that only 1,085 of them are in Illinois DCFS care, it raises questions about the other 19,000 children and whose care that they are in and who is overseeing the hospital. It's roughly $40 million spent on inpatient treatment. That's a lot of time for children to be in hospitals. It's not about attacking children and trying to take away their health care by any means. It's about making sure that these children are safe and that whatever's happening to them is by the law and by the books and the way it should be. It raises questions about what would be called medical trafficking, where things are conducted onto children when they're too young to be able to consent to these things. And if they don't have anybody watching out for what's best for them, you never know what could be happening to them. And yes, it is a really dark side, but there are really dark things happening in this country and across the world, and we are all aware of that. I think the taxpayers deserve answers, 100%. We are paying for everything that is coming forth through this overpayment system. That's coming from your money that should be going to you and your family directly. I think that state agencies have way too much power and that they have way too little oversight. And this really does fall on the lap of Pritzker.